Shanique!
Yes, mommy?
Come here.
Yes, mommy?
Okay, so. What's up?
Nothing.
What have you been up to?
I was washing the dishes.
Okay, great. That's my daughter. One more thing, I'll be going on the road, right? At the bank, as a matter of fact, to check on my account because I'm seeing some cash missing. And I don't want what happened to you saying saintly about happened to me. It won't be nice because I have the rent to pay. And I'm not seeing the money reflected in my account. You understand? So I'll be heading out shortly.
Alright, mommy, be safe on the road, okay? Because remember, money are hungry, so you know you have to be careful on the road and drive safely also.
Wait a second, ago. Drive safe on the road. So when since mommy start to drive, be patient. We're getting there. I understand, but focus on the rent for now. I can't even buy food sometimes with this car. You're funny though. Trust me, you are.
Alright, well, just be safe on the road.
Alright, call me if anything.
Alright.
Mm-hmm.
Come back sweetie for me.
Oh my god. You know what? I'll just pay this instead. And please be safe, alright?
Yes, mommy.
Alright. Food is inside the kitchen so you can always eat something.
Okay. Remember, sweetie, no, mommy.
Which one again?
Twizzlers.
Twizzlers. Alright, love you.
Love you too. Alright. Yo, mommy gone in or forward now? Alright, hurry up.
Girl, you know me will pay for her phone come with this girl. So what going to call me?
Girl, look how I'm asking for the boy number and you can't send me. Me have to call her and I remind you about him. And you know some like the boy.
Girl, if me did have a number, I would have sent it to you. I have it.
So if you don't have a number, you never tell me that long time. So nobody will have a number. Girl, me really want to talk to the boy.
Girl, calm down. Calm down, my girl. You still have a chance. We can go down there and always there up on Saturday.
Girl, so now that if you say a long time, I'm there kill up myself over it. So we can go down this Saturday now.
But, guess what? You have a girlfriend.
Well, me not care if him have a girlfriend enough from. I want him, me have to get him.
Alright, you can't tell me no I want you. I don't give a damn. I'm going for that boy. I want him. I have to get him. But that is it. Alright, so. I'm leaving. Little boy. Husband. So far, husband. Outside of the room. Yeah, man. Send the most people come give me. What? The same man said the most people come give me. Find you one overseas. Right now, I need some money to pay the rent. But the man just send the money come give me, and next thing done me after. You got a hair? You got a very short. Can't believe it though. Alright. Hi, daughter. Hi.
Hello.
What's your name? Hi, how are you? What's your name?
Hi, I'm Hila.
Nice name. So I guess you're my daughter's friend or classmate or whatever, right?
Friend.
Okay, so what you guys been up to?
Just have to go through some past paper.
In first thing. What are you studying?
Some past paper.
Past paper. This says LG Owner's Manual, LED TV. So you're practicing how to make a TV? Are you lying to me now?
No.
Are you lying to me now?
No, mommy.
I don't know you as a liar. I don't grow you like that as a matter of fact. So what's the problem now? I hope you don't want to influence my daughter negatively, child. I hope not. I've never seen my beautiful daughter lie to me. Never. I've never seen that.
Mommy, it's a prank.
Where's the camera?
I hide it. And it wasn't really for camera anyways. Just wanted to get a reaction to us doing that.
Okay, all this.
We get a good mommy?
Interesting. Let's say about that. All the best. I can't really believe you. I'm hungry. Hello? Hi, good day. Who is this? What I mean by who is this? Oh, landlord. Oh, yes, sir. I have to move out. For real? We can't like see each other and talk it out. Oh gosh, man. This is final. Alright, no problem. Alright, no problem. Thanks. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Hello?
Hello.
What?
Babe, I'm stressed out right now.
With what?
It's like I'm homeless now. My landlord no kick me out. So I need to go today. I have to leave today. Can you imagine it?
So why you are shouting at me here? Just talk decent, man.
I'm sorry, babe. I'm just upset, you know? It's just 3 months, 3 months, My older man look at my go and me. Remember say over 5 years, me there so stay. I'm just a 3 months rent. I'm gonna lose a good client.
You know, say I'm glad still come could have pay the rent. You know, let me tell you to come live with me, but you have the landlord money.
So what should I do now?
You must pack up and come live with me. Are you alone still? Send a daughter go Empire Yard.
Why?
Listen to me, are you alone in the cater for?
Babe, I can't say that. You can't love me and don't love my child. You have to accept me, accept my child. What's the sense in that?
So you have follow what people say, if you can't love the calf, you can't do the woman too?
Exactly my point. You understand? Should I come with my daughter or not? Should I take her?
If she have bananas on her hand are very heavy or not light, no problem.
You don't have to worry. My daughter is the perfect princess ever. Alright? Alright, I'll be there shortly.
Alright, but me not there yard still, so you can go and stay there. Need them for a work, for a 3-day work. So they come down. You don't tell her about me though.
Soon.
See, same thing. See it? The same thing.
Anyways, no problem because I have a spare key, so I'll just use it to go in since they're not there. Alright?
Alright, sugar. Take care, yeah?
Thanks, babe. Love you.
And one thing too. Tell your daughter, say no. When him dug my yard, current and water bill is on a low budget. She not be paid 3 or 4 times a day. She be paid at least 1 time for the day. Save me water. And our fourth, make sure you charge 1 time for the day. If it's dead today, dead today. You charge it tomorrow. Cause now I'm gonna make JPS pad my bill.
So why so much rules and regulation? Because we're homeless, you're going to babe?
No!
Why you going to babe?
And that's how some people homeless. Because them when they use building now, consider say one day go cut off. But anyway, with the power, so later. Go on down there. Take care of yourself. Love you.
Mommy, why make you look so stressed out? You hungry now?
You're talking about hungry. Right now, I don't want big calamity right now. See that the last food I have, the last taste bad food I just ate because you tell me so, you know, like ate up food. So I just ate up little food and just eat it. They are enjoying little taste bad food. Guess who call me?
Who call it daddy?
Daddy who? That destruction, that disgrace. No sir, not him call me. Girl, guess who? Not the landlord. Me there enjoy my food. Oh, Miss K, Shannon, you have to pack up and go. After 5 years, almost 6 years I've been living and staying in this place, paying my rent on time. Majority of the times I'm paying my rent. But because I'm home for just 3 months, I go say me can't stay here. So today, me and you have to pack up and leave. Man, I'm no if stay. Thank God some power man just the other day.
So mommy, where we go stay if you kick we out?
Well, your mommy have been seeing this guy for quite some time now. This nice, fine guy. And we'll be going there. Should I say your stepfather? Are you to be daddy?
Stepfather? And you wait till now just to tell me about stepfather, mommy?
Well, me wouldn't know this daughter. You have a point there. But guess what? There is a secret that every parent should have and a child should never know. I can't tell everything. Why should I?
Okay, you're not pack up my things here.
Come back. Just a minute. Sit down. Let me talk to you.
You see, where we're going is not the same place as here. So I expect you not to do what you do here there. Over there are so many rules and regulations that which you must follow. I expect you to make me proud. I must say, I'm my yard, you go people yard. You're to be daddy. Do you understand?
No, call no daddy.
Let's say about that one packet stuff now. Be quick.
Wait, in my suitcase, mommy.
One extending and camera.
Okay, so when I get down to some now, I'm coming up the other things.
More likely, yes, of course.
Alright.
You know, we should leave those now, so the money now.
What go on, Big Dan?
Come on,
I know some people push out of the area. Where are you dealing?
why we have a woman and my stepdaughter and so long coming in?
Yo, if you step in them, you have to be careful. Right? Serious thing. They will set you up. See, I try to step on them. Come and see, look one they prep up himself, you know. Careful, he go set you up.
No man, can't set me up.
One of them try to set me up, you know. But true is I use more work with a lot of technology. Maybe I try to catch him mother or do something wrong and set a camera. And when she try to set me up now, that news that evidence against she. So anything I do, but if they left you alone here with she, just put on one camera on place. But you know, she will try to set you up. Anyway, man, some things gonna deal with still. Big sense of nonsense, do the right thing. Stepdaughter, stepdaughter, step man, step.
You can't have a point, you know.
Next stepdaughter.
What does that happen still?
Stepdaughter tam green pa. Here?
You can't then.
Know what you do? Breathe the man. Breathe the man. So when the man left you, somebody else become a stepfather. Just continue to breathe and move. Breathe and move. Breathe and move.
Why, yo? Well, you can't have a point.
Hello, Mom. From morning, just get up up here, snacks. I can't cook. Can't you cook?
I couldn't bother to cook, you know. You do take too long. I'm really hungry.
Oh, interesting, but just make sure you say, see these same snacks, hope them can last until next 2 weeks.
Cause if it done, it just done. It just done.
But mommy knows if I did teach me how to cook more, I can go run the stove and look about something that I complain about the snacks then.
Listen to me, child. For your information, I can't teach you everything. And when I was as young as you, my mother didn't teach me how to cook. My 5 senses taught me. So hope your 5 senses can also teach you. I can't teach you everything about cooking and all that. No, that's not my job.
Yeah, mommy, me get what you're saying, but you can at least help me out, show me like something what to do. Me not gonna just know what to do. Me say you not teach me nothing at all, you know. Me don't know if to do nothing at all. You never help me or nothing.
Listen, for information, I taught you how to construct your words properly, how to speak, how to read and to write. So that's a lot. Thanks be to God. Who that? Hi, who are you?
I mean, I'm not afraid me as a cook to my mom.
Interesting. Do you think of it is the first I'm hearing of this? How comes? But what's the name, by the way?
Mommy, I question the girls for you. You say, Matthew friend him behind always come cook. What? You can come cook your food. You hungry?
Listen to me, Miss Shanique. You chat too much. You know this lady? Hey, suppose you want to consume poison? You know her?
Hey, grenade bud, tapping head.
Stupid.
Mommy, why we a girl call that like a graded bud? But not take that for a Thursday. But not take it.
What are you, a parrot or something? Get up and go your bed. Go to your room.
Yeah, it's a graded bud. Running! You want some of your food?
Yeah, man.
Hi, I'm Keisha and Watson. Anyways, what morning is still? Sorry, you look at me like that. I'm the lady of this house, so whether Matt is a friend or not. And I want to know what you're
Hello.
I want to know
Hello, I. Me a cook. Please don't put me with
how many teaspoons of salt did you add to that meat over there? What are you cooking? I need to know what you're going to consume. First of all, are you prepare yourself for the entire house? Who are you cooking for?
I didn't need the answer. You can cook.
Did you add tomatoes to it?
Stop talking, I'm speak kitchen and food.
Did you add actual seasoning or what? I need to know what's going inside my system. What are you cooking, lady?
Me not cook for you, you know. Me not cook for you. So,
And don't stir me like that. I'm the lady of this house.
lady. Yeah, half a lady.
Whatever. Squirrel.
I'm the parrot lady. The parrot lady, you have to talk.
I don't like you. Anything to burn never good from ever since.
You know what I'm saying? You go on much about you. You go on about you. You go on. No, what kind of money is going to go? Jesus Christ.
Why don't you take him up yourself? Take him up yourself then. Take him up. I guess you want my man. Take him up.
Hello.
All
Me
that
and Matty go way back. So don't worry about take up. If me don't take him up, me take him up a long time. Why you don't know bigger than you?
I'm not here to argue with you, lady. All I want to know is what are you cooking? How many ingredients did you add to that? That's all I want to know. What's going inside my system? I don't know if you're over there cooking up poison for me. I'm a child. I'm a man.
Hello. I have been cooking in this house for about 5 years now. Me and Matty is friends. So don't come here just last night and wherever you come here and want to come try like you can style me. Yeah, watch your mouth.
Congratulations. All the best for that.
Boy, you go one Matty but the man them when you take up, you know. See?
Nonsense.
And I call it just done.
Great.
Rubbish you are talking, yes.
Hello?
Matthew,
Yeah?
I kind of this bronze, this lady over here, call herself Muslim Matthew friend, call her, I can't even chat. Who is she?
Oh, Browning.
Whatever her name is.
Oh,
Who is she?
A close friend of mine.
A close friend. Listen, I hope that brown girl is not a woman, you know.
Listen. Okay? You need to understand. She's the one that cook every day. I'm a single dude, you know. And I have a friend that cooking. So if you have a problem with her, behave yourself from now. I know you cockatoo.
Like seriously, I don't like the idea of that closeness. Remember, the way to a man hurt is through his stomach, you know. Hope you're not sleeping with that brown girl, you know. I don't like her.
If you
Don't.
listen, don't talk when I'm talking. If you didn't cook the food properly, you come here last night, you know, and you cooking white rice. And when they are trying to find the rice, I swim. You swim. You can't, a porridge you give me. You don't give me rice last night, you give me rice porridge. So we call back Browning to come back today to cook.
You don't talk?
No.
Anything else? Anything to add or to subtract? So you want to disgrace me now? Okay, fine.
Well, Brownie, you cook good too. I smell it right in the room. You have to come outside. You bother me.
Thanks, baby, love. Thank you. I really appreciate it.
Yeah, you bother. You cooking. No, mommy, I cook and you just smell nothing. You don't know what you want with sometimes. You have to go sleep over more.
You know what kind of woman my friend can't take up? Why? Me and the telling me you must kind of good woman on the road. You love him
I
that
think
much.
sound like you're old. I can't chat so.
Hello. You know, come
So you're here to disgrace me now?
No, you're not going to come here come disgrace anybody, you know.
This is my child. I birthed her. Who are you to tell me how to talk to my child to disgrace anyone? Who are you? This brown sin thing. Who are you? Mind your own business and control your pot. Control the aroma of your pot.
Smell good.
Boy, you wish mommy could cook. Go
It
on to
smells good,
cook.
don't.
Allow her to teach you. Since I can't teach you, and I'm not willing to teach you, make she teach you. About this food, smell, whatever. You wish mommy could do. Make she teach her to cook.
But mommy, I just said you can't cook good.
Thank you.
I remember the rice last night.
It doesn't matter. Thank you.
See, I get offended with that.
No, it's fine. Thank you.
Hello, talking
So make sure when you're hungry, she can feed you.
Hello. If you never know Matthew have a nose nearby, you know. So you never know that. Take time and talk, man.
I'm not giving most way like a lamb. You just can't.
Me come here, I saw the nasty, what kind of nasty woman you have? You be? Eh? Look by the plate there and think. As a woman to woman, you're very nasty. I'm just a medium.
Nah, see, you can't even talk. You can't even construct a simple letters together to make it be one word. But nasty. It's nasty.
You know where you come from, but a Jamaican you come from, and you're very nasty.
Okay, let's see about that. Let's see. But don't forget that I'm the lady of this house now. I'll take control, not you.
Me no want to see when you take control.
Running a bit and I'm going to come. I want my food them for it.
Me no live here, darling, you're every road.
Yeah, go come my morning time and stay till the night evening.
Shanique, come sit beside me and start talking. Shanique, sit beside me. No, just sit. You can sit. Sit.
Hello, me know your daughter, you know. So you have to call her from beside her. Me no love woman. Me a big woman. Right? Worry about who out the road. Don't worry about me. But you call her from beside her. Right? You must make she stay beside her, make she learn something from me. Because she not learn nothing from you.
Come, we're going inside.
But
And you won't be eating this food tonight, no. Come inside.
Brownie a cook food and you did a complain about the stocks. That not food belly, you want food.
I'll cook up something for you.
No, mommy, not again.
You want corn mackerel and white rice? Come inside.
Brother, save some of my food for me. You know,
I said come in. I can't be talking so many times, Shia. Why are you doing this? In your room. Sure.
Oh, what kind of woman want to take up?
Sean, put on the phone and come here, please. Finish washing your spray for me. Finish washing your plate, let me finish this. I know let me repeat myself. Hello? I'm not talking to you.
It's not free.
So now wash your plate then.
No, I'm not shutting on plate.
You serious?
No, it's not plate.
Alright, I'll wash them. We can stay. I'll wash them. So. Because I love you, I learn sometimes to do things. Okay. But I need to understand. Look at my shoes on, please.
surprised that you think you never that come.
But it have, you know, so it have, you must believe someone to them now, nobody feel like. So,
Yeah, man, you get the ass.
so you're up to? You go to school today?
No, son. No, you can't see school for today.
So where's the final one?
Let's go start from here now.
Hi, Greenie. You must be on here. What's up?
What?
Go on, go on.
Alright, where you want from what you know?
I don't really want to come from you. I'm a friend, so I'm just going to see you.
I hear you. You still don't like the closeness.
Hello. You don't have to worry about anything. Me and Matthew is friend from a long time, right? So as we say yesterday, if we didn't want him, me and him would have sleep long time before you come along, alright?
Alright, if I didn't want you, if you say, if you didn't want you.
Hello. Nonsense is speaking, right? Me and him is friend. Close friend, me and him go to school together, we grew up together, right? We live in the same village. So don't go talk about one. Me and him is nothing more than friendship.
Oh, so I'll take your boat though.
We just go look for him.
You know, I cook today. And I'm cook.
Alright, we can't do. Cook.
Don't need to come.
Anyway.
There! Wow. Where am I?
See you see me superstar.
I'm running!
Alright, chops.
That's it.
Touch it, the G.
There, I'm going to place fresh.
Yo, what kind of sick you come pick up your comment? Don't do that, man. Do better than that, man.
Well, I said, you know, the place is lonely, so just, you know, she get put out and things, so just keep her, you know. What, one of the two in another strong going, I just help me help her out, you know. So, what are you going to achieve in so far?
I'm not gonna answer you.
You're right, you know. Browning! She have you?
Yeah, man. So far.
Oh.
No, you see, she disrespect me.
Oh, gosh, you're right, you know. You're trying to say rest bad. Get!
Beard, if you got beard.
Hey.
Get!
Hello. You must have respect to him. He's a good man here. A best man. You have respect to him.
I'm not gonna do.
Yes, sir?
I'm not gonna respect you.
Tell me you don't have none fear. No, man, don't say that. I'm the best man, I'm the bestest father ever will get, eh?
Why? Where?
No, there's no soup. There look much for red peas soup.
Let's see, so. Tired of soup, you know. I'll make some pasta in the meantime.
Yeah, man. Do your thing, man.
Oh, guys, you know. That time I coach you, you know. You know? Because they want freedom to go, they want to go. They want to live. I don't even want them that say, look, if you charge your phone, you must charge your phone and don't respond when you charge it. It's supposed to be one time for the day. You charge your phone. You're supposed to charge your phone. Ken! Ken, come to me!
This is why I don't like you.
Ken!
What's wrong?
Before you come here, let me tell you about your daughter said.
Same thing at the store.
Charge her phone one time for the day. She was not on the charger while charging. So
No, I wasn't.
she was on
My
the
phone put down here, so how me I use it on charge.
You be
When you come in and you be a talk.
leave her over me.
Well, I don't know.
You don't know. You don't know.
Moment the man just don't like me.
You don't know.
When I do the man and the man just don't like me.
Everything
I don't
you don't like
understand.
him.
If you come and tell me about how me I use my phone pan chat, and my phone only rests right here, so.
Alright, I'm going to sit down. Yeah? Cool. You're cool. So what have you been doing while I'm on? What have you been doing while I'm on?
I was just like, keeping the place tidy, resting, on my meditation.
No man, no coming.
We are one from here.
Woman.
And the woman, that same lady,
Yeah.
she only.
Yeah. But no man here.
Woman, yeah, look, woman alone, you can't come here now, man, you come here, come on,
Okay.
Well, not.
But mommy look funny. You only want woman to can't come here now and no man you say you go to man. That means that woman you have to look too if they come here.
That's where you go?
No, she cook. Because they cannot cook properly.
5 years.
We
What
are
you
friends.
praying for?
And she's been cooking 5 years, I know her.
I don't like it. I don't like the idea. Because normally, as the saying goes, the way to a man artistry is come up. I don't like it.
So,
I don't like it.
so,
If you can't cook, if you don't want me to cook or you want to taste the food I cook, go to a restaurant.
I tell you lie, and I tell you, me want food and me eat it, I tell you say cook good. And next thing we reach a bathroom, I'm tired of that. My conscience is bother me too much. You cook.
So you want to insult me in front of my daughter?
Me tell her
In front of she? That's what I want to do?
she went banging down the door to use the toilet too. That same night you cook the curry. I thought they were cooking curry, but it's yellow chicken.
What?
It's very yellow. It's very yellow. It's not curry. Cause
So you can't cook? Can't you cook?
that's what I'm gonna do.
Okay, so what's the purpose of she? If you can cook your own food, cook it. Why she?
Exactly.
Why she?
Because if she not cooking with me, they are. You're deadly hungry. She's deadly
That's
hungry.
what you think.
All she people are snacks.
And
When she not there snacks, she feed fast.
is that true?
We can go shop to buy food too.
And you see, so much I sure.
It's
At least
cheaper.
for the snacks.
Hello, it's cheaper than me coming to cook. That will buy a box for them beer snacks.
So my ask you, what you pay to cook?
But I you know, it's without my heart, me do it, my love. Out of my heart.
Okay.
Tell her about it. You tell her.
If me sick right now,
Matt, you care to that, sir.
alright.
If
There's a question, miss. The time I'm taking to come here every single day to cook for my man, don't you have a man for yourself?
she's single.
Don't you have someone for yourself?
She's single.
Right.
So why you answer question them fear? And
Because you know he's have a big brother.
But you don't know if you get nobody to come answer. Make you answer for yourself. Me tell you how woman you look.
Boy.
You know you got to have a boyfriend though.
Are
My,
you,
no.
Are you me get boyfriend from?
My daughter,
Alright.
no.
Alright.
She not mad.
Alright.
Woman you on the road say you come here son and come accuse me.
Alright.
Why you think you only want females and me to come here? But
Alright.
you two me the on your case now, me have man. Oh, me have woman too.
So it's a blame game. It's a blame thing now.
So you think you can do
What
something?
you don't need to lie to me now, darling. Not because my daughter and I were homeless the other day. You want to disrespect me in my eyes. What?
Because this is me trying to keep my life. If you can't cook, someone make my friend come cook for you.
So why can't it be a male friend? Why can't you cook for yourself?
Male friend?
Male friend. Or maybe both. One
One
put the milk, one put the rice.
Where's the tower?
A male friend.
Okay, since you talk about how me make you cook and so, right? You said she not cook the food them good. Why you, when you there home most of the time, cause you have the girl now. So when you there home, why you not say you take your time out to teach her? Since you have a problem with watching.
She tell me, alright, listen. I tell her one day, so let me teach her to cook. She said she's cooking for a child. She know how to cook.
So if you have a fault with the food now, you help her and show her.
And with she has steamed callaloo in here and pour, my God, callaloo no steam with water. She throw water in her soup, he told her, callaloo soup. She cook rice, it on rice porridge, why sense?
What?
You're trying to insult me smart, not true?
Three girls in here.
Huh?
So because she's here now, you want to insult me in front of my own daughter. That's a decent disrespect, man. I don't like that. I don't like it. If you have an issue with me, you talk to me on the way to my face. But not like this.
You don't see her here.
You can't teach me now. If you really love me and want the relationship, you can teach me. That's why relationship don't last because person is stray. Them always have other options like maybe she over there right now. But friend, over 5 years, what's that?
She's gonna miss me, right?
This is the thing about people.
Alright, we can make home.
Alright, you are. You start cooking your phone. Sit down and come back here. You have to start cooking your phone. Let me see you cook properly. When you cook what you want to eat, you cook for yourself.
No, one time I'm cooking here. You complain about gas and you complain about this, you complain about that. One time cooking a one, you go wash up everything when you do that?
Of a house. My house.
Okay.
When
So
I
you
used
have-
to
no, hold on.
wash it.
No, so you want 2 pots for cooking here, right? You go wash up everything then.
I agree with that. Okay? You really agree with that?
Of course, she's my daughter. My daughter wants to lie to me. So it's either one pot or no pot. But she can't come back here now. She can't come back here. I'm not see the sense in that. Don't allow her to return to this place.
Ask her that last week where she was. When you did up at the top house, when you were living up here. Ask her where she was. Just ask her.
Friend Mila come over.
Hey, shh. You don't need to explain that stuff to him. What I expect her to be? No must library.
Exactly.
Huh?
Okay.
Where you expect her to be, sir? What are you trying to say? Are you trying to accuse my daughter?
Without accuse her.
What are you trying to do?
Without accuse her. They're trying to put her on the right path. Where's the pot cover? Whatever.
Boy, come back and yam name and pot cover in the sense. Remember when we used to come here about the pot cover in the sea? No?
Me somebody who can I hairstyle in the kitchen, ragamuffin hairstyle. You must cover your ear properly. It can't. I don't even know. You just look chaka and you say you have to prepare a meal. What kind of style that man? Fix up your ear, man. Lord.
Why you don't go fix up your head? You see you have yellow and...
No, she right. Don't answer. She right. Don't want to cover your ear. Cover your ear. Don't answer. She right. Don't let you laugh at her. Don't tell her.
If you go fix up your hair, you have both 4 different colors of your head.
You see, you have all three attack her but her here, right? Before you tell her to teach you to cook. You attack her but her here.
Why should I want Browning to teach her how to cook?
Because if you could have given her brownie quick.
Okay, you see it? Browning, you want.
I don't believe that thing.
I have to believe my daughter. Who you want me to believe? I can't believe a man over my daughter. She's my only seed. She's my only child.
But mommy,
My first man, my only everything.
Mommy and sister friend in come in here, brown inside in the pan and I find fault with you. And me.
You know how long me and Mattia talk? Huh?
Every minute in
You know how long we talk?
5 years. At 5 years, me know about
Few months.
And him always enjoy
No
tea.
one.
Him always taste my food without any problem. But now, this browning from nowhere just appear like the devil. Appear and disappear, but oh,
Tell you already.
my browning teach me how to cook. What's the YouTube there for? What's Google there for? If I can't teach myself or learn from you, someone else can teach me, but not she.
You are 33 and you still don't know how to cook. Yeah, maybe a few months I want to cook, me tell you say cook nice. I don't want her to feel bad. One night we give me salty food.
You suck off your finger them do.
Yeah, because we have low pressure. So we like it salt at time. But now I don't want no salty food. Let me sprinkle my salt.
That don't make no sense.
Yeah.
So,
You
you
know,
have low pressure.
go on there.
So, what are you trying to say? You have high pressure now, so you're trying to monitor your salt level? That's what you're trying to say now?
No, mommy, you say in pressure low, that's why you suck off your finger.
Pressure lower then, what about now? I know.
You know, to catch 1 week since that happened, your pressure alright now?
You know, yeah, tell them, no one, it seems like you know that I come to tell you off here. You know, she raised my pressure more than what I did right now. And But I look why come here fishing around the house in here. I'm fishing around the house day and night. Day and night. What you did day and night when you look why I'm fishing around the house? This black boy in here about when they never call me. When we don't town.
You too lie. I'm tell you, I don't say like me and mommy there here before you come back, and me and mommy there everywhere together. So what you mean, boy and fishy run? Me there right beside and mommy right through.
But he must say, boy, a fishy around the house. I must say, fisherman can't find sea. A fishy around the... I don't see this.
Imagine, it doesn't look something to argue about.
It doesn't add up. It doesn't add up, Matthew. It doesn't add up. Stop accuse my daughter and stop make unnecessary assumptions. It can't work and it won't work. Now we can work.
Alright. What done right now? One come out in my life one day. You know what I said? I'm going to have enough in my hand and underpants. I'm going to have go put on some clothes. You go on a bed. Go on a bed.
You can't tell me that. How you know say me not be there before you come back? Me not ask like you.
Listen to me. Go on. Go on.
Lick me.
Walk here,
So
man.
what are you trying to do? What?
Lick me.
No, I'm just... No.
Lick me.
No, wait, stop. You don't have to reach right here. But what I want to know is if you're a child or my child. I've never slapped my child or attempted to beat my child in my lifetime. You know. I don't believe in beating. I believe in punishment. So what are you trying to do just now?
Listen to me.
What?
Polish pitney and change pitney.
Like seriously?
Real lick. Without belt.
I might be a real stab out of the night.
Go around here.
Very nice.
Relax, just go.
But they're not manners. Very nice
Stop
manners.
texting from my daughter. It's never nice. It never can
Hello, you
work.
cannot raise a child. Because if she can go on so, you can't discipline a child. Right? If that was my daughter, you would have seen all me and
I don't need your counseling, no lady. Cook your food and manage the rice or whatever you cook. I don't need your counseling. You have a child? Huh?
Oi. She a cook soup. Which part she can burn up rice. Me tell you say you can't cook. Go on in, go bathe. You feel like you want to bathe. Go on in. You say go on in. You know how they come on and I will give the water jug.
Try it.
You ever hear when they sing it and say the girl they want water and the jug don't have you, the water jug. Hey, go on in.
What a calamity.
Go on in.
Jeez.
A brownie you want.
Brownie I shall get.
I'll be doing myself.
But I'm not inspired, Matthew.
No.
My friend, you don't like my big brother. You know why you kill them people like, how they want to make a drop down in their own house?
You know.
What go on, Big Dan?
Well,
I know some plan push out of the area. Where are you dealing?
well, we have a woman and my stepdaughter and so long coming.
Yo, if you step in them, you have to be careful. Right? Serious thing. They will set you up. See, I try step on them. Come and see the one they prep up himself, you know. Careful, he go set you up.
No man, can't set me up.
One of them try set me up, you know. But two is a youth, me work with a lot of technology. Maybe I try to catch him mother or do something wrong and set a camera. And when she try to set me up now, that news that evidence against she. So, anything I do, but if they left you alone here with she, just put on one camera and place. But you know, she will try to set you up. Anyway, there are some things going to deal with still. Big sense of nonsense, do the right thing. Stepdaughter, stepdaughter, step one step.
You can't have a point, you know.
Next stepdaughter.
What that happen still?
Stepdaughter tam green pa. Here?
You can't then.
Know what you do? Breathe the man. Breathe the man. So when the man left you, somebody else become a stepfather. Just continue to breathe and move. Breathe and move. Breathe and move.
Why, yo? Well, you can't have a point.
I'm going to wash.
So you don't make Matty wash.
What?
Why you don't make Matty wash your clothes instead of you look for something you can get fit it?
Go back around there soon. It's so crowded.
Girl, I'm bored. I'm glad you come up here.
Bored. I'm making a cook some food, girl.
Girl, I'm not hungry. My mom did already cook KFC for me, but I could go down the river now.
Why you want to go river, girl?
Remember, say tell me, so the boy always down at the river on Saturday and today I Saturday I go down to go see if I see him.
Oh, girl, I can't bother. I don't feel the vibes right now. Can't go over right now.
Nobody can't tell me say I feel the vibes. Girl, just come on, cause the place just boring you. I can't tell you. You see I snap me in up all day, I snap and something. I don't know nothing to do. Come on.
Alright, girl, come on.
Girl, look at me come up here and the boy down up here.
Girl, I'm surprised you're not there. Can you always there? I never know say not go there.
Me come go me dear me. Can you only make me waste my time come up here?
Alright, come on, let me follow you. I'm going to come.
Mister, Wagwan.
No, me there.
How you go?
Sure.
You want me to go with that?
I'm gonna district of work, please.
You know, say a long time I did want to stay, come I did want to talk to you about something.
Me, so what do you want to talk to him about?
You know, see, for a long time I like you, but you never see you from when me asked my friend Neil about you and something, and she tell me say I could have see you down at the river, but turns out I end up see you on the road, so I do want to talk to you yes, and see what can go on.
Yeah man, me normally dey down by the river, but me just walk go down the road. But me surprised how Melia come to you about me. And one day she see me and tell me say she like me. But anyways, me like it too.
Alright, so just give me a number then so I can talk to you over the phone.
No, my phone palm me, but me go give it.
Yeah, because I have to hurry up and go down and send me something I got a shop. Alright. Later.
Who that?
I don't know nobody.
Where you mean I don't nobody? Where's your man vice calling?
Miss Redskin woman. You like your voice detector? I understand some ear voice of course, so you know some man, a man voice. Eh? Your voice detector? What you try to say? What you try to do? Actually my daughter say man a call her. Or you know some man? Are you a man? Is it your man? Voice detector.
You know some people are no answer, you know. Come down to cause family. You know say I know a good mother, you use not a good mother.
You soon know if I'm not a good mother. You soon know you can't even breathe. Eh? You can't even get pregnant. Wait, did you just make me want a daughter?
Don't worry about if me can breathe. Because I'm sure no say that you gon' breathe me, yeah?
You just stop it arguing. Nobody never out there. Or maybe somebody a call next door, but nobody never dare call over your son.
You sure about that?
Nobody never out there. When me look out a while ago, nobody never out there. So maybe somebody a call somebody else next door.
Exactly my point. She jump up and say she hear man voice. She hear man voice. It's all the voices that can hear man voice. Man, you find your mind. Eh?
I need more answer you.
How would that me a so? What make me a see two of them together?
I'm a boyfriend, girl.
What you mean are your boyfriend? Explain to me what they go on here, so because what you me say now, you tell me say you're not knowing no other to me you like, so how comes are your girlfriend all of a sudden? What they go on?
If me did like yes, but you tell me say I have 6 boyfriends.
6 boyfriend? Girl, now what do you mean you chat and me tell me like the boy and so you know some don't got 6 boyfriend. Where me get 6 boyfriend from?
Shani, girl, calm down. Let me explain. Me did have feelings to the boy and me realize you like the boy too, but then again, me just did have to tell one look like girl. But sorry about that still.
Right now, me not care about what you have to say. Me get what you say and why you do it, but that still not justify what you do because you cause a problem for me and him this one. So you know what? If friendship done as so. Two can have each other too.
Sure, you can't go along where you go. Come on here, baby.
Yes, baby, take a plate then, man. I'm not going to follow for me.
For sure.
Sorry, me never know say I see your friend this stay like too.
You never know, say so she did stay. Why you never come to me and ask me, you ignore me, and then me come see Yana I go. I don't even know if over in yard and I go, but me still know the place, so obviously over there. So now you come to me if you say sorry about that. In the first place, you know, you should have come to me and ask me what they go on, because you tell me, say you like me, I tell you, say I like you. So you could have just come to me about it. Simple as that.
Say me I go do. Me make it up to you, me I go carry a river. Either if I today, if I tomorrow, I don't know when yet, but I carry a river and then there.
Alright, then you follow me go down.
Yeah, please. Where you come from?
All that concern you.
You think me not here to up the road with boy?
Everything you hear, you ever seen it? You ever see?
Listen,
Go and listen to hear say.
I'm gonna give me some water.
You can say please. Me not have to do it tonight, you can say please.
I'm not house to serve, so we say give me some
And
water.
my foot and hand this year, you said me, you ask me for something, you have to say please.
And when they say me want water. We don't need to say
Alright,
please.
get your water. Alright. Here. Can't even say thanks, I should have choke.
You have anyone else? Let me say that. You have anyone else? Eh? What is What is?
You ask for water, you never specify what kind of water.
We never tell us more sea water or salt water. We say water. Yeah, you put back here and cook. You know?
Do we go to cry? You cry go to mommy? John, you're right. We are bad.
Yo, hold it. You have to talk to your daughter, you know. You have to go talk to your daughter because come with salt water in there, you know. So, come, show me what I talk about. Get up. Come. Let me show you what I talk about. Because I don't know what kind of daughter you see you have in there, you know. I'm not from Magna here. I don't know what kind of nasty is to find it too. Go on, so. Hold on, look like I don't come Magna. Go on, walk.
So you know,
You said, see how they talk to
the
her.
water the way you talk, but where's the salt water?
This
Where
is
it?
salt water. TSC.
We are
TSC. The salt water they give it. Right.
TSC mommy and say that's salt water me give. I don't know why you always try to find fault with me.
Oh no.
This don't taste like salt. What you talking about?
Salt water. We are telling
Yes, you can drink. I think
just-
it's a salt water. You can drink it too. Look.
I don't feel too good. Salt water she give me.
That's always try to find fault with me. I beg milk water and I actually give up on me and you still have a problem.
Matthew, what's the matter with you? Is it because my child is not your daughter? What's the matter with you? Why are you lying in front of me? Why are you lying on my daughter? I just taste the water, there's no salt. I guess your tongue is salty. What are you talking about?
So-
Oh, salt water.
You're calling me a liar in my own house.
If that's the case, I guess.
You think they will let you alive, man?
Of course, I trust her.
Since then, somebody comes and they say, with man up the road, I walk and
Mommy,
come down.
every time you ever say people are telling me things, ask me if you ever see me no one. Every time I let
She's
you
a
don't
bad,
say
she's a child, she's bad. Everybody say, pick off her neck, light up on your neck. Eh? My God, man. One puno.
everything you find problem.
She got to
If me never care what
She got to go. She have to go.
Why?
She too lie. I watch her go walk about plugging her phone for charger.
I first never do this only one time I do it and make a problem. See that's me plug it for. The one time I do it and make fuss over it.
I don't understand what you're talking about, but she got to go. If she got to go, I'll be going with my daughter. She's my child. If I can't love she, I can't love me. It doesn't make sense.
How do you know something like that? But I don't know if I explain this, but it is sad.
So what if the water is salt? It's not poison. Salt can be consumed. Don't you add salt to your pot whenever you're cooking? It's okay if the water is even salty. What's wrong with that? It's not poison.
I don't like them too salt. Don't you go no salty or no salt that will scratch your neck. How you have life? She gave me there. She gave me there.
The last time I checked, you're hypotensive, so the salt is good. Thanks be to God for she. Right? You want to be a nurse, my daughter? Oh, she's taking care of you from now.
Yes.
Add a little salt to your diet. What's wrong with that?
You want me to actually put salt in it?
You mean that was
Come Matty, salt.
Alright, you know, you need to go get our.
You need to go and get your
No more penny now spending.
Listen.
No,
Alright, mommy, hold on.
You
You
want to
say,
know all the food I'll cook here?
stop it, guys. You said my mother needs to get to work, right?
Yeah.
You need to go and get your face fixed.
It's never attitude there. It's never attitude there. I don't have to
Why you have to be arguing every day with my daughter?
I see why you put her on off. You never tell them put her on off. You never tell them you put her about him.
Abort her?
Yeah.
That make any sense? That don't make any sense in my world, no. Okay.
You know
More salt water. And so what?
what? The time guy gave me, yeah? Time guy gave me.
What?
Right now, talk to you back here.
Stand right beside me. Sit down as a man. Sit down.
How much have I? Alright. The boss will all be able to keep it on the top. It's alright, no.
Matthew, I can't believe. Where are you? Come here. I can't believe you.
Yeah.
So you have a life.
Me I try to show you how me work. Me we check out the whole system in here. My money now go down the like current bill. Debit.
The last time I checked, I didn't pay your light bill. You're there stealing electricity and you're talking about current and light and all that rubbish.
Yes, and you make me have to come out and we are called JPS.
Look at this. 25,221 cents.
Is your name on that bill? I don't see your name.
You know what I want? You know what I want? You see, we don't get where I'm from. Anyway, we are there.
Why don't have my daughter? Why?
I don't like, and she, this,
You don't like me?
she, sorry, she, I don't, what's the other?
But just
Jesus Christ. Alright, just smile.
sit over there. Sit.
Let me go me a share me.
She can't smile again.
No, it's not me home.
She can't smile again.
You want to
Not because you now don't teeth to smile.
What a calamity.
What making you because everything we do in here, in our fault only. Every single thing, we can't do nothing and you know make nice and say how can I bad something about me. And you realize I him not don't have bad things to say about me, nobody else.
Listen, I understand that you and Monty can't agree, but Monty is a nice guy. And I can't just leave my lover just like that. Unless he's cheating, which is wrong. And even molesting you. So once you've been molested by that man, or if he's cheating, he can go, I'll leave him. But for now, no. It's impossible to leave him just like that. Ben, look at the phone and empty your bed, please.
Where's the camera?
Matthew!
Yeah? Where from? I'm from the other friend.
I just don't lotion once.
One full face, you know, you have one lotion.
If you like me necklace, me lock good. Help me lock it. If you like it up, drop or something.
How can I talk to you?
Stop touching me!
Who touch you?
What? In there, I'm coming here and feel like a lotion in my account, rub down my neck, but if you like, so me need a massage, nobody thinks so.
Don't tell me you believe her.
So you're not a masseuse.
You believe her?
Explain what is happening now.
Me come around here and I ask him for look lotion, he might give me like he might give me attitude and I give me lotion so. When me take you know, and me turn the back feel way, he might come talk about how I say everybody look nice and tense so come and massage you. That's why when you come in now. That's why I say don't touch me.
You know say I roll them around here. Roll them around here. Take off my shirt and I exercise with it. Thank you Jesus! Me have backup seat here. I exercise with the camera. Move! Your mother needs to see this. I exercise with the camera.
You're too lie.
Move. Look, watch yourself. Good lad.
You're too lie. You're too
No,
lie.
no,
Just sit down now, sit down, sit down. Let me see the camera.
Make sure you have one exercise. And then come. Look. Turn up here. It's a helping
Alignment.
Hey, shut up.
Look.
Let me see this. Just give it to me now.
Yeah, hold on. Let me put you where you see. Look.
I know how to use that tablet. Just relax now.
Yeah.
Or just relax. Relax.
Yeah, play. We're glad we did the exercise on camera, you know.
And if I talk, oh, expect to hear the video and see the video.
Talk.
Sit over here. Sit over here right as well. Sit down.
Yeah, man. If you like it, get ready today.
See, mommy, I just saw lotion.
Shut up.
So you see what me try to show you now? You see what me try to show you now? You see type of picture where you have?
What was your aim?
Oh, I want a piece of cookie stepdaughter me have, you know?
What was your aim?
Me just never like him. I say like who that can left if me tell her say him a trouble me. So that's why I didn't come in my health.
Why don't you like him?
Cause him don't like me.
No, you cannot say that. Just change the style. That's all we need. Be calm, be patient.
You know I was wrong? I was wrong all this time. I treat you like a lady when I was supposed to treat you like a child.
Amen.
You're supposed to know your place.
Amen.
You can't tell me who to talk to and who you don't like. Can you please me? Can you satisfy me as a daughter? Can you?
Amen. But you know, you never go so far. Where you gonna please?
Shut up.
We shut up.
You're very disrespectful and you pass your place today. But you don't like him. Apologize.
No, wait.
You want me to get really upset and dark in this place? You want me to get really dark?
Yeah, wait.
Apologize.
Sorry, Matthew.
No, you see, I had it a blame. Alright.